Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful paper lantern. And here are a few things that you will need. Take a protractor and measure a distance of 3.5 inches. Now make a circle with it on a white piece of paper. With the same protractor, mark 6 points around the circumference of the circle. Now connect all 6 of these points to create a perfect hexagon. In order to make the flaps of the hexagon, create an outline around it and cut along the lines. Trim off all the corners to create the flaps. Create one more hexagon just like this. Take another sheet of white paper and draw a line at 3.5 and 4 inches away from the edge. Now rotate the paper and make a line at 8.5 inches away from the edge and cut along the lines. Create a border of 1/2 inch inside the rectangle and draw a line in the middle. Now mark 1.5 inches on the center line from both the sides and create diagonal lines as seen here. Now make another set of lines 1/2 inch away from the existing ones. Now we need to remove these triangles that I just marked, and oops, I forgot to extend that line, so there you go. Now take a cutter and cut along the lines to remove all the shapes that are marked. Now take the kite paper and use the triangle to trace the shape on it and cut the paper 1/2 inch away from the line. Apply some glue on the reverse side of the grid and stick the colored paper in any pattern that you like. After you're done with that, make a total of 6 pieces. Fold the flaps of the hexagon inwards and apply some glue on it. Attach the bottom side of the panel with the flaps of the hexagon and repeat the same for all 6 sides. Now apply some glue on the flaps and stick them to the panel right next to it. Once you're done sticking all the panels, make a cut on the second hexagon and insert the plug through it. Tape the opening from both the sides so that the bulb can stay in place. Put the bulb inside the lantern and seal it by gluing the flaps of the hexagon to the side panels. And that's it, you're all done with making this beautiful paper lantern. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Please help me grow my channel by hitting the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Click on these links here to watch my previous tutorials, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!